Today we're making baby food and we're using kiwis. I got some nice organic kiwis here. I got one peeled. I'll show you an easy way to peel a kiwi. Take your knife, cut the ends off, and then you're going to grab a spoon and you're going to put the spoon underneath the skin, as close to the skin as possible without breaking the skin, and you're just going to run your spoon along the flesh of the kiwi, keeping it as close to the skin as you can without breaking it. And then the skin just slips right off. You get a perfectly peeled kiwi. So once they're all peeled, just going to slice them down. We'll add our sliced kiwi right to the blender. Then we'll add our formula breast milk or filtered water halfway up the kiwi and blend it until it's smooth. Now, these kiwis are slightly bitter, so I added a little bit of my mango puree to sweeten them up a bit. This will hold in the fridge for up to 5 days, or you can freeze this for up to 3 months. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.